turbo engine running.
Absolute genius.
Get this.
Welcome.
This is the show where we bring you
Science.
What that essentially means is
discoveries,
Advances.
Questions. Research.
technology. Unbelievable.
Without further ado,
This is The Naked Scientists. Hello, welcome to The Naked Scientists podcast, the programme that brings you the biggest breakthroughs and talks to the major movers and shakers from the worlds of science, technology and medicine. I'm Chris Smith. Coming up this week, a new test to detect Alzheimer's disease long before symptoms first appear. The study showing Earth can sequester only a tenth of the carbon that we thought it could, and how drones, traps and sniffer dogs are protecting the UK's timber industry from beetle attack. We begin this week with plans to ban under 16s in England from buying high caffeine energy drinks. Health ministers say products like Red Bull and Monster fuel obesity, disrupt sleep and make it harder for children to concentrate in school. Some countries have already gone down this path, while others, like Australia, are watching closely and will probably follow. If a new law is passed, shops, cafes and even online retailers will no longer be permitted to sell these drinks to younger teenagers. It's a move that could affect thousands of young people, and the aim is to tackle obesity head on. Amelia Lake is a professor of public health nutrition at Teesside University. She's also part of a research centre called FUSE, a group of universities that examines issues around public health.
An energy drink is different to a regular soft drink because it contains caffeine and the threshold is more than 150 milligrams of caffeine per litre.
What does that mean, though? Because Coca-Cola, Pepsi, they've got caffeine in them, haven't they?
A cup of coffee might contain 80 milligrams of caffeine in a cup of coffee. A cup of tea, about 50 milligrams of caffeine. A cup of cola, 30 to 40 milligrams of caffeine. And then energy drinks, we are looking at those bigger cans. We're looking at 160 to 200 and sometimes even higher milligrams within that one can. So those larger cans, that is about 2 espressos worth of coffee in a can.
And the calories? How many calories are in a can of these energy drinks?
Okay, so if we think about one of the larger cans like Rockstar Monster, they have around 230, 240 calories. So similar to cans of pop because they've got sugar in them.
Who is drinking them?
These drinks have been one of the fastest growing sectors of the soft drink market, and that is globally. So this is a global issue and it's a global story. These are global companies, and this is a big proportion of their global sales. About 1/3 of 13 to 16-year-olds are having them once or more a week. Also 11 and 12-year-olds, so we know it's happening in younger children as well.
But occasionally during the week is arguably much less bad than if someone's got a regular habit